Welcome back, guys. Today, let's talk about the power of dividends. Whether you're earning in naira, earning in dollars, earning in pounds, earning in euros, the power of dividends. So, imagine waking up and checking your phone and seeing money drop in your account, directly into your account, or in your wallet, your trading wallet, your investment wallet, just because you own a company share. You don't need to do any side hustle, you don't need to sell anything, just pure unadulterated cash flow. This is the raw power of dividend investing. So I just wanted to bring it to us to talk about today dividend stocks that you haven't discovered, because yes, you may just be beginning or you have been investing, but for some reason you don't know about these dividend stocks that I'm going to talk about. And they're not just stocks, they are also ETFs. So I had to make sure that I have a blend, and I'm going to pick two from Nigerian stocks and pick about five from the US stocks, so that you would have a blend of these stocks. So most beginner investors focus only on, let me buy this stock low and then it will go high. But wealth builders know that it's beyond just one end. Okay, so today we're going to talk all about it. So I'm going to share with you a plan you can use to replace your salary income, or whichever money that comes into your, from business or from any other place. I just want to show you that, yeah, you can actually set up a plan as per dividends and they can replace your salary. So let's get into it. All right, this video is very important. Please do not log off. Don't do me the favor, but just watch it to the end, because you're going to learn a whole lot. So first of all, I want to tell you, I know you know this, or maybe you don't know, but there are two major ways you make money from stocks. One is capital gains, the second is dividends. So capital gain, your capital gaining. Some people call it capital appreciation. And then the second one is purely dividends. Dividends meaning these companies have made profit and they want to share with all their shareholders, and you get a certain amount. So I also want you to know that not every company pays dividends, because I see people struggle with that part. Not every company pays dividends. That's one. Two, the dividend can stop too. So that's why you don't just say, oh, I have settled myself. There are some that have also paid dividends for 100 years. We have the dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have, or ETFs that have paid dividends for at least 25 years. Then we have the dividend kings. These ones have consistently paid dividends for 50 years or more. And then we have the dividends, I don't know what to call them, I call them dividend ancestors. These ones have paid dividends for 100 years. And I'm going to share some of them with you. So let's look at this scenario, right? This is stock A, and you buy it at $70 and you want to make 100%, the stock has to grow to $140, right? That's how you make 100%. Then you have stock B. You bought it from the Nigerian Stock Exchange for 20 naira. So for you to make your profit, it has to go to 40 naira. So this is what capital gain is in real sense. Your stock growing either in 10%, 20%, 50%, 100, 500. There are some stocks that even this year alone, they've done 500%, 300%. So there are stocks like that. But I just want to tell you three truths you must know about buying stock and waiting for the stock to get to a certain price for you to make your 100%. First, you need to know that it may not get to that price. You may buy a stock at $70, it may not get to 140. You may buy a stock at 20 naira, it may not get to 40 naira. I know some people who have certain stocks that they bought hoping it will go to 100%, even 50%. The stock has not even moved. So that's one thing you need to know, that it's not a must that the stock will go there. But of course, if you have the right strategies, the right plan, the right knowledge, you can actually pick stocks. There are stocks that I have given to my community members that I know will do 100% for sure. I've given them a plan. I just showed it to them. I say, just buy, go and cross your leg and chill. When it gets to 100, you collect your money. So you have to do proper research. So stock may not get there for so many reasons. One may be the stock itself may have issues. Either maybe the owner of the company, or maybe the CEO, maybe some leadership issues. It can also be the sector. Maybe it belongs to oil and gas and something is going on in oil and gas, or maybe airline, something like that, and is affecting the sector. It may stop moving, it will start dropping. It can also be news. Some news may come out and stocks will sell out, or it can be the time you bought it. Maybe you bought the stock when people are already selling. That's when you are jumping in. So all those things will make getting to this price, tougher. So I just wanted to make sure you have that. So that's the number one reason. The second reason is that if it goes up and you do not take your profit, listen again. If the stock goes up and you are in profit, you only take your profit when you sell. So when the stock is $70 and it goes to 140, if you don't sell it to make that profit, it becomes unrealized gain. So a lot of people, when you look at their portfolio, they are already in 200%, in 30%, but it is unrealized gain, meaning they've not taken that profit. So it's hanging in there for pictures, okay? But only when you sell and take out that profit, that's when you can say, oh, I have made profit from this. So that's the second thing. So when you sell is when you get your money. Then the third one is that you don't know how long. You see, from this 70 to 140, you actually don't know how long this stock is going to hold. So that's very important. So, but how about you earning dividends and you can get paid not just once, but sometimes you can get paid every month. Sometimes some stocks pay every month, some pay every quarter, some pay twice in a year, some pay once in a year. How about that? That would be cool, right? So of course, before I give you the list, this video is for educational purposes. Make sure you do your own research. And of course, watch this video. If you've watched up to this moment, it means that you're enjoying the content and you really want to learn, because here I teach you how to make your money work for you. So drop a comment for me, and of course subscribe if you have not subscribed, because that's important. When I make new videos, you'll be one of the first people to know. And of course, thank you so much for being a VIP subscriber. So don't just buy stocks that are paying dividends because they're paying high dividends. I see some people, they go to ChatGPT and they type, then tell me the stocks that are paying high dividends in US and in Nigeria. It's not only that. The most important thing you should be looking at is finding good ones, both stocks or ETFs. Okay. So these are the 7 stocks I'm going to give us: Coca-Cola, Realty Income, JEPI, VTI, Johnson and Johnson. And of course, on the Nigerian stock end, I picked NIDF and I picked GT Co. So I'm going to go and look at the chart so that you would see some of the things they have done. That would help you to understand. And then you also see the sector they belong and what they do and how they have performed in the last 1 year to 5 years. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks. Let me tell you also something that is very important. Warren Buffett, whom everybody knows as the father of investing, in Coca-Cola, he earns roughly about $2 million per day. You know why? He owns 400 million shares of Coca-Cola. He has been buying Coca-Cola since, I don't know, 1980s, 1970s. He has been buying Coca-Cola. And you can see here that his revenue is almost about 2.2 million per day. Can you imagine someone is earning 2.2 million per day from just one stock? Remember, he has many, but just this Coca-Cola alone, if you have seen any of his videos when he's doing his Berkshire meetings, you will see Coca-Cola there. He's such a fan of Coca-Cola, and he's always talking to you about buy what you love, invest in the companies you love, and this is a classical example. So let's get into the chart. But then I just want to tell you that if you really want to get access to the list of stocks and ETFs, those that would be making you money, because one thing I love to do is to pick stocks that will pay dividends and at the same time the stock is growing. So give, for example, this stock is 20 naira and the stock grows to 40 naira, giving you 100% gain and at the same time paying you profit. Growth dividend stocks. I'm very interested in those kind of stocks. I've compiled the list for my community members. They have a list of that, and you can literally start with one or two. You don't even need to pack all of them because it makes no sense to buy all of them. So just pick and then start growing. If you want to get this type of figures, then you have to grow your number. So you can join our VIP 9.0. The link is the first one in the description. You get access because it's just beyond stocks. We have other investments. Knowledge is power. I can't wait to see you in the community. So let's go to the chat briefly. Right, so the very first one I'll talk about is NIDF. And this one is a Nigerian stock. It's Chapel Hill Denham, currently 129. This year alone, he has done 9%. And why I love this is that most people do not know, but this particular stock pays dividends 4 times in a year. They pay dividends 4 good times in a year. So you can see here their dividend history. They paid, let's look at last year. They paid in January, April, July, October. I've done a video just on this particular stock. I'm going to attach it and send it, put it here in the video or link it in the description so that you can also watch that particular video. So you can see here 2026, they've paid 2 times. So imagine some people have used this to earn up to 5 to 10 million in a year just owning this stock. And if you look at the last 5 years, this stock has done 19%. So you see, if you have been buying this stock just for capital gain, you see that in 5 years is 19%. But for this dividend, people have packed plenty money. So that's the first one I want to talk about. The next one I'm going to talk about is GT Co. So GT Co is Guaranteed Trust Bank. Of course, you and I know, I call it the ultimate cash machine. This year, they were on their own level. People are now catching up to them because of the kind of dividends that they released. They released bombshell dividend and separated themselves from others. They paid 12 naira 76 kobo. Wow. So that's really amazing. If you really want to understand this company, this is one you can research. So you can see the last 1 year, it has done 60%. Remember, it has dropped from its all-time high. But in the last 5 years, this company has done 343%. That is crazy. So you see this particular company, you can literally invest in them and you can be growing your profit. Imagine the last 1 year, you've made 60% and they have also paid you dividend of about 10%. That's beautiful. So that's the second one I'm going to talk about. Then the third one I'm going to talk about is an ETF, JEPI. This is JP Morgan ETF that pays dividends. It's currently around $56. And you can see here, the last 1 year, it has done 41, 0.4. It's not even up to 1%, but they pay monthly and they pay about 8%. So you see this one, I like it because monthly paying dividend stocks help you to accumulate a lot of money and you can always be investing every month. And one thing I like about this stock is that the movement is not really, you can see the highest it has gone is 59. So they're usually within a particular range, which happens to some ETF, some stocks. Then the next one I'm going to talk about is VTI. This is also an ETF that is into the tech stocks. That's the Vanguard Total Stock ETF. That is very one of the stocks ETFs I can beat my chest and recommend to anybody. You can see here the last 1 year he has done 25%. The last 5 years he has done 68%. Impressive, and they have been paying 1% dividend. This is one you should have. Such a beautiful fund to own, especially as a beginner. And of course, I'm going to mention Johnson and Johnson. Johnson and Johnson. This one is almost everybody, things you use in the house. You will see a lot of Johnson and Johnson products in your house. And so for some people, they feel like this is expensive, but it doesn't matter. The last 1 year, they have done 49%. Can you see that? So you can be earning from dividends. They're paying about 2.3%. And at the same time, you're earning this one. So now let's talk about quickly Coca-Cola. Let me use this KO, the Coca-Cola company. The last 1 year, Coca-Cola has been impressive this year. This year alone, they have been amazing. This year, they've done 14%. Can see here 79. This stock used to be around $50. Now it's around, it actually hit $80 some weeks ago. You see this one, they pay 2.6% every year, but look at this. This is the one that Warren Buffett is making crazy money on. So the question is, do you want to get to see a list where you don't have to go and do your research. I already have put it together That's why you should join the community. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in another.